Now, a federal high court sitting in Port Harcourt has reserved September 26 for hearing of all applications and originating summons in a suit instituted by the People's Democratic Party, PDP, against the Independent Electoral Commission and the National Assembly candidates of the All Progressives Congress in Rivers State. When the matter was brought in court, the presiding judge, Justice Stephen Dalio Pam, after receiving applications from the defendants asking him to recuse himself from the case, adjourned till September 26 for a definite hearing on all the applications, including the originating summons. The report.
Speaking outside the courtroom, Ezemoye Amadi, who appeared for himself as the 12th defendant and the APC candidate for Ikwere Federal Constituency, alleged that the judge refused to allow him to address the court, as was advised by the administrative judge, adding that the judge rather preferred to hear all applications at an adjourned date.
Today, I tried to prevail on the presiding judge to allow me, in obedience to the directive of the administrative judge, to allow me to present my application before him so that he can make a pronouncement on my application. And once again, he refused. I also want to put on record that everything that I said in court there, the judge refused to record me. At this point in time, I can tell you, tension is beginning to build up. And if anything goes wrong, I want to be quoted, if anything goes wrong, then Justice Pam must be held responsible.
One of the counsels for the People's Democratic Party, DK Udenna, described the defendants as being jumpy about the case, noting that the courts cannot entertain the motions because the defendants filed their applications and served on parties the same day.
Section 285 of the 1999 Constitution also makes it clear that all objections should be taken along with the substantive case in matters of this nature, that is, in election and in pre-election matters. So it is on the basis of those provisions that the Learned Trial Court had directed, consistent with the constitutional provision, that all the applications will be taken together. If he agrees that good reasons have been given why he should recuse himself, then of course, naturally, it will end and the matter will be sent away.
Most of the applications had not been served on parties, and the presiding judge felt that it was not ripe for hearing and decided to adjourn the matter to the 26th of September, wherein all parties would have been served with the processes. But held that he's going to hear the applications for recusal and the substantive matter that is originating summons of PDP all together. And that was what caused some stir from some of the candidates who were in court.
The 12 defendants, Ezemoye Amadi, and others said they do not have confidence in any pronouncement that Justice Pam will make, adding that his ruling on hearing all applications in one day is like airing the matter from the back door.